If you think that making a good video on YouTube that will perform and get lots of views and exposure all comes down to video editing and camera skills and things, well, you're mistaken. And today we're gonna talk with a YouTube employee who's gonna tell us exactly what it takes to make a good video for this platform. This is Tom. Hey, Tom.
Tim, it's always a pleasure. I'm glad that we're able to reconnect.
When you say that we just need to make our content good, good means all different things to different people. It could be like, oh, my production was really high and I had this TV quality editor. Is that what is good?
It's such an interesting question because if you have like beautifully shot, beautifully edited videos about a topic that people don't have a great interest in, or if the on-screen persona, is just not connecting with that audience, there's no amount of fancy gear and drone photography that's going to change that. So when I say good, it means it's a video that earns a lot of viewers' time, because at the end of the day, the viewer kind of votes with their time and they have pretty much infinite choices of videos that they could watch on YouTube. So if they're not happy and they're not finding it engaging and compelling, they're going to skip and they're going to go to the next thing. They're not skipping because they feel like, oh, the person was using a $100 mic instead of a $10,000 mic. It's probably because like the storytelling wasn't there. It wasn't addressing a need that they have. It wasn't kind of easy to follow. It wasn't unique. Or when I say good, I generally mean it is compelling to a material number of viewers. They'll watch it a good chunk of that video, ideally most of it. Ultimately, it's about the number of minutes that they're going to watch it, and that they're going to effectively prefer this over other videos that we could have shown them. And if we notice that, we're going to keep recommending it.
You have to think about the human element of how do you get this viewer to actually care about the person on screen and the brand. A good video is a video that makes someone feel something. I feel like this is for me. I feel like this is going to help me get past what I'm doing. From the educational, people are like, well, I'm just teaching people Photoshop tutorials. What am I going to make them feel? You have to remember the viewer is also a character who wants something, has obstacles they're trying to overcome. And so who is the guy that comes and equips the hero with that proverbial sword? Well, now it's your video. So if you set up that content, be like, see this photo I have? It's a perfect shot of my kid, but the photo is blurry. I'm never going to get that moment back again. I still want to make this usable. Then cue tutorial. So you set up the story so that when someone who has that story sees your content, they feel like, oh, I'm in the right place. This is for me. This is what I need. You're going to help me.
I think that a lot of us as YouTube viewers can think of videos that have done that for us, and those are very memorable. That's probably a big type of path to success for videos. If I had to generalize it, I would say the videos that perform the best are videos that are solving a clear viewer problem. And one problem is a viewer's desire to connect and to feel. There are other cases where a viewer's problem is they're bored and they just want to laugh. Another one is like they just want to figure out how to fix this dishwasher and it's clogged and they need to know what knob to turn and what screwdriver to use to kind of get that thing going. That is a clear customer need.
Tom, what's coming up over on Creator Insider that we should know about?
You're going to see way more content than you did last year. We'll be doing more sneak peeks where we're going to give creators earlier views of new features that are under development, improvements that we're making to the platform so that creators get an early view, but also can give us early feedback so we can kind of make these products better for everyone together. So if you are not subscribed to Creator Insider, please go ahead and check it out. We've actually had the opportunity to talk to many YouTube employees about what does it take to be successful on this platform today. And we took those best videos and put them in that short little playlist that you see right there. And if you're interested in learning more from YouTube themselves about how to grow on YouTube and find success, you need to click there, and we'll see you over in those next videos. Keep it real.